Hello student, how are you? I am dear Majhi, teach physics for NEET, main and advanced. Today I will be discussing a numerical which is very important, and this numerical will be solved with the help of Phasor diagram. And this is the most easy method to solve this numerical. Look at this, the numerical. The amplitude of SHM of period pi by 2 is 10 centimeter. Find its equation if it starts from x equals to a by 2 and moves away from mean position. Okay, number 2, start x equals to a by 2 and moves towards mean position. And starts at x equals to minus a by 2, moves away from mean position, and start at the same point, moves towards the mean position. Okay, now look at the solution. In my earlier discussion of Phasor diagram, I have already discussed when a particle rotates in a circular path of a radius capital A, if a perpendicular is drawn from any position of the particle to the diameter x or x dash, the foot of the perpendicular executes SHM along the diameter having amplitude is equal to radius of the circular path, and period is the period of rotation of the circular path. That is when the particle is the position y p1 x, the SHM moves from qx. When the particle moves from x p y dash, the SHM moves from x q1 o. When the particle moves from y dash p3 x dash, the SHM moves from this position to this position, and when the particle moves from this to this, SHM moves from this to this. Now look to the problem. The equation of SHM is equal to x equal to a sin omega t plus phi. Now look at this. Here amplitude of oscillation is equal to 10 centimeter. So here a equal to 10. Now look at this. The period is equal to pi by 2. So omega equal to, look at this, 2 pi by t. That is 2 pi divided by pi by 2. So this is the 4. Therefore this becomes 4t plus phi. By the initial phase of SHM. Now the phase for different phases will be different. Look at this first problem. When the particle starts from x equals to a and moves away from mean position. Now this is the x equals to a by 2 and the SHM starts from this to this position. Okay? So as the SHM moves from this position, the instantaneous position of the particle is this. Okay? This is the initial phase phi. Now look at this. If this is the phi, this also phi. Look at this. This is the a by 2 and this is the a. So look at this. Sin phi is equal to a by 2 divided by a. So this is the half equal to sin pi by 6. Okay? So phi equal to pi by 6. So here equation becomes 10 sin 40 plus pi by 6. Okay? Understood? While the SHM starts from this position and moves towards the mean position, the instantaneous position of the particle at this point. So what is the initial phase? Look at this. Now a line is drawn from this. So this angle is the initial phi. Now we have to calculate this angle. So look at this. This is the a by 2 and this is the a. So look at this. Cos theta. Look at this. Cos theta equal to a by 2 by a. So look at this. This is the half. So this is the cos. This is the cos pi by 3. So theta equal to pi by 3. then this is the pi by 3, this is the 90 degree. So initial angle 90 degree plus pi by 3, that is pi by 2 plus pi by 3. So equation becomes x equals to 10 sine, this is the 40 plus 5 pi by 6. Okay, in the same way, look at this. If the particle starts from x equals to minus a by 2 and moves away from in position, the SHM this position, so instantaneous position of the particle is like this. So what is the initial angle? Look at this. Look at this angle is the initial phase. Now look at this. This is the pi and this angle. Look at this. This angle equal to this angle. Now if this is the a by 2 and this is the a, so look at this. This is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So sin phi equal to a by 2 by a. Sin phi equal to a by 2 by a. That is sin phi equal to half. That is, this is the pi by 6. Okay. Look at this. If this is the pi by 6, this also pi by 6. So initial phase pi plus pi by 6. So equation of SHM becomes x equals to, look at this, x equals to 10 sine 40 plus 7 pi by 6. Okay. Now last problem. When the particle moves towards the, when the SHM moves towards this region, so instantaneous position of the particle is here. Okay. Now what is the initial phase? Look at this. What is the initial phase? Initial phase is this angle. That is, look at this angle, that is 2 pi minus of pi by 6, that is 11 pi by 6, or maybe written as minus pi by 6. So its equation may be written as x equals to a sine 40 plus 11 pi by 6 or 10 sine 40 minus pi by 6. Okay. Hope you will understand this numerical, and this will be help immensely to boost up your confidence. Please like, share and comment on this. If you are new, please subscribe my channel for this type of concept.